Hello, hello. Mic testing. 1, 2, 3, start. So first click here at Canva. Just Google search Canva. After that, click that. Now we are at the home page of Canva. Okay. So let's search. Let's here icons are there. Let's take one any of the icons for video. Let's click here for video. Now Instagram story video, landscape video, LinkedIn video ad. Let's just click it. It's a square shaped format video. Okay, so now let's just name it. To how to name the video here, here in the top here, just click here untitled design, just name it mockup video tutorial. Now enter. Now this is the name of this tutorial. Now let's just search here and go in the left side bar. You can see so many icons are there. Now among them, let's just go below to apps. Either go to apps or here, either go click here in the app section, or you can search here also. Okay, quick actions. So let's click here app. Just a second. Now here in app section, let's search mockup. They will give so much applications for mockup editing. Now let's just take the first one. Here, this is first section is for normally popular mockups. Second one is video mockups. Okay, so and your wish, if you want to just, I'm just giving this for your knowledge and so that you can explore the type of mockups you can find, so that someday if you need for something just for normal portrait or photo, you can just go to Canva and after that you can just search there according to this and you can use them as per your usage. Okay, these are the type, but these are not videos, these are just for photos. Okay, or you can print them. This is video. Here in video section, let's just click here and you will get so many video mockups. Okay, so they are mostly, here are laptops, screens, this is some are dresses, t-shirt designs, some are bags, some are TVs. Okay, we will get more also, some are phone, tablet, and movie theater mockup. These are the, if you just want to advertise your some product, you can take this also. This is lip, you can take this and post it online. People will think that your brand is not really doing so well. These are for marketing, of your products. Now let's just take this one, a cup video. Okay, now let's just enlarge it. Here they are also giving the tutorial how to means edit the mockup, means how to use this feature, like just drag the object you want in your desired coffee mug or your t-shirt or your bags or your laptop, anything, and drop any image into the mockup template. Okay, now this let's just enlarge this template. Okay, done. The template is enlarged. A little enlargement is needed. Okay, to fill the page, it's done. Now let's go to the element section. Here in the element section, click in the element section and we will get, let's go to the recently used elements. We will surely find something nice here to use. Let's search more. Videos, sorry, pictures we need. Let's just explore, keep on exploring. Do you like this mango? Let's take it. Or this one. No, let's just search for more pictures which will be great. For example, if this is a girl cooking, you can take this girl and drag this girl and drop her here on the mockup section, on the mockup template. Okay, and leave. Okay, it would be a best gift for your mother, or your sister, or your wife, if they love to cook. And even if they don't love to cook also, if they are cooking for you, means it's uh, obviously going to impress them. Okay, just click here once. Yes, now do you like it? It's moving completely. Do you like how much the picture is fitted in this? No, if you don't like, just select this page. How to select? By if you click once on the page, on the template, this will get selected. Okay, example, click here once, it is now selected. Okay, now click here edit. Now here click here fit, it will completely fit here. Okay, now you can change the color of the means like this cup also. Let's change the color of the cup from white to something else. uh, let's make it something like peachy pink, like, or something in this shade. How is it? This is good. Apply change. No, something in this shade. This color will be nice. Now uh, tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, tick tick 6. Oh wow, within 6 tick ticks it's done. Now click here. Now let's just play. How is our video? Yay, it's nice. The photo is complete, and our coffee mug also. Okay, you can make such type of mockups for your such type of videos for your advertisement of your own brand. If you are starting some new brand of selling print on demand coffee mugs and t-shirts or tote bags, like that also you can make such type of video advertisements and post them online on different social media platforms. Is it nice? So do you want more tutorial? I can give you another one. Let's have another tutorial about let's take something else. Let's if you are means like editing your own YouTube videos, okay, in that case also you can use them for creating more attractive videos. Okay, let's check them. It is good. This is also good. This is also good. They're all if this is also good. Let's this this is also good. This is good. I'm searching something like popping or just rising from below to up, that type of, or this one also we can use. For example, let's just click it. Now let's enlarge it to fit in the page. Okay, now it's fitted in the page. Now let's just search in the element section. Where is it? Here in the element section. Let's search for subscribe. I think in the recent used folder we will get it. Yes, here the subscribe, you just click that, and that way also you can insert it. Okay, either from here directly you click one element and drag and drop there, or you just click on the element how I did now. After that drag that there and drop there on the mockup element. Okay, now Canva is doing its job. How you know? Here if you remove the means like cursor key, you can notice a small buffering on that mockup area. White color small buffering is there going on. I'm trying to, okay, now it's printed, but we don't like it because it's not complete. So let's just edit. Now fit here. Okay, now do you want to change the background? No, I don't think that needed. Background is better if it's white for this template. So apply changes. After that tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, tick tick 6, tick tick 7, tick tick 8, tick tick 9, tick tick 10. Okay, within 7 seconds it's done, but still it's undone because it's cropped here below above, so it's not complete. Let's edit once more, select it once more, click edit. Now how to do it, it's completely fit, right? You have to make it a little small, drag it a little up and down, and now just drag it a little up. Okay, oh no, oh sorry, again select it, edit. It's just make it a little small so that it will be fit in that bar perfectly, so that it will fit in that bar perfectly. Okay, now it's okay. Now it will be like that. Now apply changes. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5. Oh, within 5 seconds it's done. Now this time it's perfect, isn't it? No cropping, nothing, completely set within the limits. So you can make short videos like this and insert in your YouTube page, means like sorry, YouTube video. Okay, and let's make another, let's make a smartphone markup. Let's search if his smartphone is moving, is there? No, I think in only in video sections they are moving. Here they are not moving at all, they are only sleeping. Here they are not moving. Let's go to the video section where we will get everything moving. Let's take one phone moving. Let's search one moving phone. This phone, oh this is moving from left to right, we may take it. Or this one, this is just breathing. This format of motion is called breathing. Okay, it's breathing. And let's search for one or two, otherwise we will just go to that one. This a person is just, let's take this one moving up. Like this you can take and use as per your wish. This laptop is also good. Okay, I hope you don't need another tutorial for this mockup section, and it's enough more than this one. This is also nice, you can take this. Now there are so many like this one is nice. Let's just take it and edit it, just fill it to the page. Okay, now on. Let's go to, okay, if you want to here I want to add something like if you want to add some element of your own. For example, if you want to upload your own company's logo here in this mockup template, how you will do that? Obviously that won't be available in the element section, right? So for that you have to go to uploads here, click there, and after that click here at upload files, and in that obviously this is your PC's download section. Okay, or in whatever folder you kept your company's logo image or logo file, you just have to click that folder. After that select one, for example text, this is also empty, documents, here it's filled, or downloads, here it's filled. You just have to click on that image, means click on that file. Okay, for example if this image name is, this is also, this is a anything, I'm just giving you a tutorial. Just click there. After that, when click there means click on that file of yours what you want to upload there in this section of image, sorry, in this markup section. Okay, so click on that file what you want to upload. After that click here at open, it will be downloaded here. Okay, in this section. Now click on that or drag it and drop it there, it's your choice. If you click here it will go there, you have to drag and drop. Okay, or from here also directly you can drag it, take it there and drop there. Okay, it's your choice. Now Canva is doing its duty, let's wait. Yes, it's done. Oh, your image is uploaded in that section. Okay, that can be your company's logo. If you want that, here just take Canva. I am doing it in Canva, right, and drop it there. Okay, now its Canva is doing its job. Is it? I think it did not dropped. Let's click that again and take it and drop it there. Not getting dropped. Now it's dropped. Okay, okay, it happened. Canvas logo is on that board of this mall. Okay, now let's just edit it a little because it's not perfectly loaded. Just a second, I uploaded that image 2 times, right? That's why it's sticky. It just hanged up. Just a second. And now it's good. Let's just edit it. Click here. Let's click here fit. Okay, now it will be good. Okay, after that apply changes. After that it will be okay within couple of seconds. Tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3, tick tick 4, tick tick 5, tick tick. Oh, now it's okay. Now Canvas logo is at the central mall or central drive library. So like this you can upload your images. Okay, you can make things like this happen. Let's undo to that video, to that clip. Yes, it was looking better, right? This picture on that. So nice. So like this you can edit things. Okay, you can make videos for your new startups advertisement. You can there are so many mockup means like mockup elements, templates. Okay, for watches also they are there. For tablet TVs graphics are there, so many graphics. For if you are just opening some drink company, you are launching something, for that also can designs are there. You can take any. After that you can just put your own logo of your company. Okay, like that. These are the bags. Some companies are nowadays making bags, for that also markup available. Or if you are starting some cosmetic business, for that also it is there. Okay, everything. Or medicine design, even medicine, like for any medicine company you are opening, if you are into pharmas also, in that case also, for this packaging these things are there. Okay, you can create any digital design on your own, and you can make a nice advertisement of your product nowadays within your own budget. Obviously it's completely budget free. If you know how to market, if you know how to design, you don't have to hire strong professionals. You can do it on your own within very less budget. Of course, when you are a beginner, obviously budget is a constant, right? So for today that's it. These are my edits for you. These are my small tutorial videos which will help you to grow your social media platforms and to grow your business. That's all. You can make use of them for your friend's birthday or any special occasion. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much.